Hello traders, welcome back. Arbab is here. In this short video, I will tell you a setup which is better than a silver bullet. You don't have to mark out the liquidity area, you don't have to find a displacement, you don't have to find a fair value gap or anything else. So let's start to the video. Basically, ICT said this setup is called optimal trade entry OTE. If I tell you this strategy, you will tell you this strategy is not made by ICT, because here we going to use a Fibonacci tool. Okay, so this is also a trick because the time frame is the most important, and the things you have to identify, that is a bias. If you find a bias, you will find this entry every day better than a silver bullet. You don't have to worry about any displacement or liquidity area. Remember that point. Okay, so what you have to do, first go to the weekly time frame of Euro USD, GP USD. Okay, any good pairs, remember that points. Okay, then you have to find out the recent price action. What is the recent price action? If we see in the weekly, price is I will tell you in the like case. Okay, this is the inner structure. What is the inner structure? Here you see this is the inner structure. Price make higher highs, higher lows, and gradually moving downside. Okay, and after that it's going upside. Inner structure, like here, it's like a pullback. Okay, if you see is a pullback like this, and going upside, and after here some unmitigated order block, and then it's go to the downside, right? So in inner structure, what is price doing? Price is doing basically higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and this is the recent week higher highs. Okay, so as we see, price take out this high and break above of that area, it's make this price is bullish. I'm right? Okay, because it's close above. This week is close, so it's mean the price is bullish. So if we found a bullish price, what we do the last week, what I did, we find a structure like this. We mark out the high of this area from here to here. Okay, I will give you a setting. You must copy this one. This is the ICT setting. I will give you again, and I will tell you the reason. Okay, everything's behind, there is a reason. So write this, make a screenshot or whatever you want. Okay, okay, I will tell you here something as well important. We have to take entry between 0.79 to 0.6 to 62%, 79 to 62% we got entry. Okay, and we take our first TP on 0.17, because many time what happen, why we are telling you like this, that many time what happen, price go in this area and then go back downside. Okay, sorry. Okay, remember this point. What happened? You have to first take TP here and you can set your break even. Okay, so remember this point. Okay, so we find out that weekly we have a bullish. Okay, so we will now go to the daily and find out what is going on the daily time frame. So in daily, we also see the price is bullish. Okay, we see if we draw fib from here to here, from this point, you see price come and tap on 0.62 to 0.79. So the price is bullish. How we can claim that? Because price close above this area. Okay, every day you see this last week, this is the Friday, Thursday, Monday, everything. Okay, every day. So you see what happened. Basically the price work on ICT theory, the concept of theory, the power of 3. What is the power of 3 ICT? You see a consolidation. Sorry, 1 minute, just a moment. Okay, in ICT power of 3 you will find a consolidation. Okay, then you find a manipulation, either the downside or in the upside. Okay, then you find a distribution. This is a power of 3 you find every almost day. So in the candle, every candle, if you see like this, okay, this candle open from here, right? Tell you more deeply. Candle open, okay, make a fake move, Judah swing, called Judah swing, a fake move, okay, downside, make make people think to short, okay, then stuck them and go to the upside, okay. This is called power of 3. The manipulation, this consolidation, open here, make a consolidation, then make a fake move downside and go to the upside, okay. Here also the next day as well, make a consolidation, open here market downside and don't go upside and close here. The next day we don't find a Judah swing, but what we have, we make a fake move a little bit here on the previous day and take out upside. Remember one point, to make to think about the price is higher high, the price must break the high of the previous candle, and the previous candle low should not break, it should be work as a support, okay. Many times you find it's break sweep like this and like this happen on the consolidation area, but in the momentum you will find this basically what you find, that this is the candle, this is the low of the previous day, okay. It should not break, it's act as a support, but the high should be taken out. It will be, if you found in silver bullet of ICT London time, it will taken out and make price higher upside, okay. So in daily we also find out that price is make higher high and going upside to the this area, okay. Once we find out anything like this, okay, so what we do, I will now replay here to the third day, okay, that is I think Wednesday, and we'll jump into the 5-minute time frame, okay. After we jump to the 5-minute time frame, remember one point, what is the most important thing, these also work only in New York session. Remember what time frame, I will tell you that one as well, from 8:30 a.m. till 11 o'clock, sorry, we are going to for 11:20 we guess it, okay. Why 11:20? After because ICT said many hedge funds manager or many companies manager did not sit for their lunch till 12, they go 11, so you will see often the volatility after 11 a.m. is less, okay. So we have find out daily buys, okay. For example, I will tell you something here special, okay. Okay, we are in the London session, we have a 5-minute time frame, we are making a fake move here, people's do sale position, okay. If we go to the daily, we are in a buys, okay. Until people ask, until when to the buys, we have, where is the recent swing structure, until price break this area, we are in a bullish, okay. Price will maybe come downside for a fair value gap, for like this order block, price will come, sure it will come here, it will never let go these orders, okay, because the swing traders also sit here, okay. So once this happen, we find out our buys, that is a bullish, okay, with multiple confluences. So what we do, we mark out everything and we go to the our time frame like this, okay. A fake move is going on, okay, and we find a bullish move, bullish momentum move, specific time frame, yeah, I see a move, as you see a move, a bullish move that take out, basically this is also news time 8:30, so no problem. Now what we have to do, we have to shift 1 minute. ICT said stay in the 5-minute, but 1 minute, why I tell you, because many times you miss a trade on that area, so why, okay. Now what we do, we find a valid swing structure, okay. We have now valid swing structure, why, the first candle, the previous and the last one did not break, so I will take a Fibonacci tool, start from here, because it's break the structure this area, okay, this low, okay, from here to the upside, and put our buy limit, okay, into the 0.62 and stop loss here, no breathing room, nothing is like that. If price take out this area, it means it's invalid, our point is invalid, so our first TP is here, it's called 1-to-1, but after first TP you become break even and then upside up to you, okay. This is the first thing. Okay, now we will see, does we in the inside or no. So what we have to do, if like this happen, don't worry about that, no problem. In 1 minute you will find more another opportunities like this. Okay, like here, and you many times you maybe step out as well. Okay, I will tell you these things, many times you step out as well. Okay, so I will show you here. Okay, first structure you miss out, no problem. Go to the 1 minute time frame and make wait for a second structure that will happen in 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is Fibonacci. So we have this valid swing point. Okay, we take out our fib level from here to here and put our buy limit here, put the stop loss this area and wait for this one. Okay, sometime what happen, price come and step you out. Okay, if this happen, then extend your Fibonacci and you will get another entry point. It's happen in 0.5, you can take a risk, but ICT said 0.62, 0.79. Okay, so basically we trade like this. Most of the time you don't find this much huge candle, you will find a small pullbacks like this, and you will get an easy entry on every trading pair, not only about others. In USD, GPY, GPP, USD, you will find many of these trades. Okay, let's see, does we get a trade or no? Okay, we didn't get a trade, we go upside. Okay, once we go upside, what we have to do, we have to find again a valid swing structure. Okay, from here to the here. Okay, and this is our structure, and put here and stop loss above. Okay, you will see, does we catch or no? We come near to the 0.6 to this area and price go upside. Okay, no problem, because price in the bullish momentum, this can happen, don't worry about that. Okay, we now shift to the our another point. We have this area and till 11. Okay, we talk about till 11, so we have too much time about this. We can find a trade between this time. Okay, price go upside, we can shift our this and you can find a trade. Yeah, you are in the trade and go upside. Okay, so here you see you are in the trade 0.62, you take the trade with a 3 pip stop loss and you get a target of 0.1 TP, second TP, third TP, fourth TP, like this. Okay, and you can also scale your more entries inside this area. Okay, okay, once we will see how much price react on this time frame. Price go and till 11 it's go higher, high and like this. Okay, so we will now, here you see, if you miss this chance, no problem, you will find another day, another time. Okay, here also you can find here to here, you find a trade. Okay, you find a trade. Yeah, from here to here you find a trade. Many times if you use this one, mostly you step out, so just put down the your Fibonacci downside. Okay, like for example, I tell you, for example, you put this area and you think this is the high, right? This is the right from here to here. Okay, this is because of valid swing point, you said, yeah, right, it's okay, you step out. So don't worry about it, just take out your fib and drop down and you find a good entry area. Okay, so don't worry about it, this happens, this is a part of game. Okay, so this is the optimal trade entry module. Okay, remember the point, you have to find out the daily buys, then you have after 8:30 to 11 a.m. you have to find this setup every day. Okay, in every pair, every time. If we go down, if we go to the 5 minute time frame and if we see backside, what happened, I will cut this trade. Okay, this happened on Friday that I took the trade. In 5 minutes, come to the area, hit my the target. Okay, you see 0.17. After that, this take out the liquidity of this news candle, and then it's go down. Okay, so don't do a greedy. Okay, once you find out the buys, you will find a trade every day. Okay, like this, you step out from here. For example, this is the news candle, come down, and you put, for example, here to here, you step out. But if you put downside, you will get a trade. Understood? Remember, here to here, you don't get entry, don't worry, no problem. You can move to the upside and you get an entry. Simple, don't worry. And try this, back test this, you will definitely find an entry. Okay, I post everything on my Telegram channel, join free, and I also provide a free signal with my strategy, not ICT, not SMC, not price action. Okay, based on I will share with you once I got a 2,000 subscriber on my YouTube channel and in my Telegram channel. I will give you a free course on this. No money, nothing is there. Welcome. Best of luck.